Hey, what's up, YouTube? I know it's been a long time, but you know, I've just been busy and thought I would put out a video. Haven't had really a lot of stuff to talk about, but you know, with the holidays and stuff, winter here in Utah definitely makes it a little bit more challenging to get rides in and stuff. I did have a fun ride with a coworker of mine where we went and rode a trail in the snow, and I didn't bring the GoPro, so you know, that happens. But anyway, I thought I'd just do a short video today just to talk about, you know, why I haven't been on, and maybe Christmas will bring something for me to do a review on. So it's looking that way. Hopefully I get it, so be watching out for that video. And something that I've been complaining about and need, so look for that early in the year. And I'll hopefully find somewhere to ride that doesn't have snow. Luckily today it's like 45 degrees. That's a nice day, middle of December, so I'll take those days when I get them. Just out like exploring some areas around here, found some dirt road, steep hills, stretching the legs of the bike. Hasn't been out for a bit, so yeah, it's a nice day. Looking forward to 25 and making some good videos, and really looking forward to this new piece that I'm gonna get. So anyway, yeah, I thought I'd also talk maybe about the state of these bikes and, you know, my thoughts on that. I know that it's gone crazy lately, this new Altis Sigma, which I made a video about what I thought. Then right after that, not to be outdone, you get E-Ride Pro that puts out this 3.0 and the SR, which are direct competitors to that. So you know, the SR is pretty much in line with that Altis Sigma, and it seems like E-Ride does not want any competition. Like, they're gonna just go ahead and release a new version if someone just outdoes them by a little bit. You got the Talaria MX5 that came out, and it came out and said, oh, you know, we're not going to do 12, we'll do 13.5 kilowatt or whatever. So E-Ride's like, well, guess what, we'll do the 3.0 and we'll do 15 or 15 kilowatt with better brakes and better suspension also. So, you know, you got that kind of stuff, and it's crazy. You know, like, these bikes are getting to a point where it's just a little bit out of control. You can't I mean, I barely ever use 15 on this bike. I mean, rarely. And it feels like right now I'm in 12, and it's squirrely. Like, it wants to go, it will spin the wheels. Oh man, this is all mud. Is it mud? Yeah, they just kind of like seem to keep up in the game, and I feel like you don't even need that much. Like, honestly, quit the power and just look at the suspension or the wheels or something else to upgrade, like brakes. Quit putting the money into the power stuff. Just, like, let's tap out at 15. I think that, you know, maybe 18 for these little bikes, but still, let's see more bikes with better suspension and better brakes right out of the gate, just like these two. I mean, they look like they have good stuff, but you know, we don't know really, like, until we get some miles underneath them. But well, I wish this was dry. This would be fun. So yeah, I don't know, like, I love the light bike class, but getting a little out of hand. This is a cool little trail. I never rode here before, just finding stuff. And man, you just go out and explore, you never know what you're gonna find. Cool. Too bad it's muddy. I'll have to come back in the spring. But I'm still looking for people to build more of this middle class bike, like the Ultra Beat. You know, we heard talks of Talaria making something. Still have yet to see that. I guess we have Arctic Leopard making some bigger ones, but They're a little bit more expensive than I consider. SURRON has just kind of hit the mark with their bikes. Oh, that'll be fun. You come into here, do this. Oh, okay. All right. All right, look at that. I can't tell if that's supposed to go. That's got to go this way. No. That way. Ugh, already muddy. Oh yeah, okay. These guys have built definitely a SURRON track. It's not a pit bike. I mean, it feels like a SURRON track. This thing, come out, up, little kicker. I think that's the one coming back down. Man, this is too bad. This is all muddy. What the hell? Look at this. Oh, there's a little. That's cool. I would imagine this is for bikes. It's pretty cool. Well, we gotta check that out, I guess. I'm afraid to sit down on all mud, but whatever. My pants are already shot. That's why I wore the brown pants. I mean, I feel like I kind of gotta. Well, let's see where this goes. Oh, that's gravel. Probably a no trespassing sign right up here, but nice, found a little single track area here. Oh, I'm not flying. Oh, I should have worn different clothes. Oh yeah, look at this. What the hell? Well, let's see where this goes. My point is, I'm not gone. Bike's just been chilling and I've been chilling, and you know, we just gotta hope for the best with the new year and get some new gear. Let's see if we can go this way. Maybe. You bet. What the hell? This is like a heyday, man. These kids need to be doing some stuff in here. Look at this. I wonder if I can get across that. There's people walking right there. If people are walking, then I could be riding. Yeah, if I lived in this neighborhood, I would make it definitely. Look at all these mounds of dirt. This is like heaven for these kids. They got that one area, but this is huge. No one would see you. Crazy. I mean, kudos for what they've done. But come on, boys. If you're watching this, doubtful, but if you are, and you guys built that track over there, and yo, come over here, socials. Let me know, I'll come help. This is cool. Imagine a trail between all these cattails and shit. Like, that'd be fun. Okay, it says dog must be on leash. Does not say anything about bikes, specifically SURRONs. So there's bike tracks. SURRON fit. Oh, it's gonna be too muddy. I can't believe I haven't been up here. Oh, there are dudes up there. Is that somebody? Yeah. I mean, look at this. How have I not rode this before? I'm gonna go up this way a little bit. You could easily get at that. This is cool. I don't want to mess with these people, but I'm coming back to do this. I'm about to smoke my brakes, but that's got max regen on. Yes. So yeah, anyway, let's wrap up the video. Just a small vlog, let you guys know what's going on. Hope you guys have a happy holidays and Christmas. And yeah, on those small electric bikes, you know, my opinion is still, I'm happy with what I got. Like, I've put too much money into this to just try to sell it and as fast as I want it to be. So yeah, I'm putting a little bit more money into it, make it a little bit better, to a point to where, you know, it's just what I want. So keep that in mind. But if you're out there buying something new and you don't have anything, oof, that's a tough call between the Sigma. Honestly, it depends. You don't need that kind of a bike if you're younger. If you're gonna be doing street stuff, then I would just go with the e-ride 3.0, to be honest. Like, I think that bike probably suit most people's needs. It's like the perfect speed. Just the one downside to me is like I guess it does come with an 18-inch rear. So, you know, whether you could put a 21 front on that, you could always get that drop crown. I think it's a fast 8, so you could get the drop crown for that fork from Charge Cycle, and that would push it up enough to put a 21 with a fender. I can't run a fender on this because it'll rub with these forks with this 21. But yeah, I think that bike seriously is probably the go-to bike for most people. If you're really just nothing but trail rider, you need that little extra power, you're maybe heavier or whatever else, then the SR, that bike's gonna be crazy. So go to that route. But yeah, I think the 3.0 would be great for most people. Anyway, yeah, and the Sigma, I mean, who knows, it's so new. I'd wait a year before we find out what's really going on with that bike, but that was my opinion. There's gonna be a lot of people that get it. It's definitely a cool looking bike, probably the best looking small size bike out there from what I've seen, but you know, we got to let time take its course on that one. Anyway, have a happy holidays. If you watch this video to this point, I appreciate it. I wish the best for all of you guys, and hopefully next year is a great year for the content, and we'll see you then. Until then, keep the rubber side down.